introduction at a better time. But today, we want to have it a very brief ceremony to welcome our national chairman. So on this note, I have the pleasure and privilege of using the microphone.
Who's from, we're almost from the same clan by origin. The Deputy Chairman South, the other National Working Committee members, the secretaries. Before I forget my secretary by the side, maybe because my friend, I'm trying to forget him. You know, the state chapter chairman. Let me also acknowledge specifically my colleagues, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs State, and other ministers here present, the other staff of National Assembly, National Working Committee members, and all the teaming loyal supporters of APC for resting this burden of trust on me. I count it a trust and a burden at the same time because it's quite heavy, it's large, but I know that I have people around me, lieutenants, supporters, friends, as members of the National Working Committee, that I've worked with them before. I've met all the members of the National Working Committee. I've met them in person, in one other form of service or the other. Here to monitor election, or going for primary election elsewhere, or doing campaign in several states together with them. You've been my friends, you've been my partners, and I expect nothing less from you that we all join hands together as a team to work together to ensure that we expand this party, we increase membership, we deepen technology that you already started, and ensure that this party is transparent. This party enjoys the support of Nigerians, and even beyond the shores of Nigeria to diaspora. We recognize all the members of the party who are working for us too. It is you that has made this party tick. The trust that you have for APC and the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President will ensure that we help the executive and the National Assembly will support them to ensure that we deliver the dividend of democracy to the people of Nigeria. Like I said in my acceptance speech, all of us here, especially the National Working Committee, we are the mechanics. The party is the vehicle. We will fix it, we will drive it, we will walk it, and ensure that we get to the destination of our choice. It's our collective effort, and I'm sure by the time we put our hand on the deck collectively, this party will be great. This party will be the joy and the pride and the bright of the entire nation. And that's what I look forward to this party becoming under our collective leadership. Last but not the least, is to appreciate Nigerians for supporting APC, standing by APC. Our doors are open. We welcome members, new members. Our doors are open. We look forward to having more governors, more senators, more National Assembly members, more local government chairmen, and more members of the party into our party. We will expand beyond bounds. I'm sure, by God's grace, 2027 is a done deal for APC. And to the members of the press, I want to thank you for what you're doing for our party, carrying the right spectre of our party, giving the right picture of our party, giving our picture a new dimension every day. Anytime I watch the TV, listen to the radio, and I see what you people are covering about our party, our successes, the economy every day is improving. Our revenue of the nation is improving. Every sector of the economy is doing better. And I see the reportage on the pages of newspapers and also among the television stations. These are things that I would like you to do. Keep on improving the reportage of our party. I want to appreciate you for what you are doing for us and for the nation. For every good reportage you give about this nation, for every image you give about this nation, we are doing it for our collective good. Because when the country is good, it is for all of us. If we destroy the image of this party, it's for all of us. So it's our collective good that we report and give a correct image and a good image of our party and our nation. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay. First assignment of the national chairman.
Thank you very much.